Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy J7 that's originally from AT&T here, and this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked. As we can see here on the screen, we have a AT&T SIM card inserted, and it is asking us for the SIM unlock code. So that's the standard procedure that pretty much all Android AT&T devices use. If you insert a SIM that is from a different carrier, a pop-up will come and ask you for the unlock code. Now, of course, AT&T will be happy to unlock that for you if you meet all of the requirements, but over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us to be able to do this sort of thing for them, either because they themselves didn't meet the carrier's requirements in order to get it unlocked for free, or because they were sold the device by a dishonest seller who told them that it was already unlocked, but then when they went to use it, they found out that it wasn't. And for the vast majority of carriers, one of their minimum requirements is that you be the original owner of the device in order to request an unlock. So obviously if you buy a device used from a different seller, then that's not something that's going to be able to happen. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this type of device unlocked here, and you do not have to go through AT&T and get the code directly from them. It's actually something that we just do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer. So that's actually what we're running right here, right now, as we're recording the video, just as proof that we can actually do it. While I'm waiting for my unlock program to finish up, we're going to go ahead and jump in the settings and show you exactly what we're working with. So again, we do have a Galaxy J7, and then that model number there, the J737A, is what uniquely identifies it as an AT&T model. The unlock process here is just about wrapping up, so we should just wait for 1 second here for it to restart one final time. Okay, there we go. And now after it boots up, we should be able to see that it no longer asks for that unlock code, and hopefully we should be able to get signal on the test SIM card that we have inserted here. While we're waiting for this, I should mention that this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. You don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order for us to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can just connect to your computer through the internet and do the exact same procedure from wherever you are. So now that the phone is booting up here, we'll let everything load for just a second. And actually, before everything else loads, we can see up there in the corner, if my focus, now it went away, so we're going to click that again. It did say, there we go. Our carrier label is showing as T-Mobile. I'll jump into the settings and show you the real thing here. And then we do have our signal bars set up there, which might be a little tough to see with the glare and the zoom. But we can obviously see here that we do not have that prompt for the unlock code anymore, so that is gone and that will never come back. Let me just jump into the settings here real quick. Maybe we can see T-Mobile, there we go. The T-Mobile carrier logo also appears down at the bottom. And then if we jump all the way into the settings, if we go under the SIM card status section, we can indeed see here that we are registered and connected on T-Mobile. We've got our LTE signal enabled. Mobile network state says connected. So yes, we are getting full signal and service now on this SIM card. The device has been fully SIM unlocked and is compatible with any other carriers that will work with it. Here in the US, that would mean any carriers that run on T-Mobile towers, but unfortunately most other networks would be out, as this phone was simply not built with support for any other networks. So, if you have an AT&T Samsung Galaxy J7 and would like help getting it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.